Last week on Shebada in Charge.
Come here. What are you doing down here?
His visit me visiting.
So booby and booby and name booby. I come here, she name. That she and my nephew them call Lepo. Live together. Them have a 8 months old son.
No, calm yourself, yo. Relax, man.
She hurt my feelings. She take me for a fool.
I talk to him, but now him taste the bitter medicine, so him gain a lot of experience. This one time come again.
Pack out the flower them. Cause of this you're sure. Booby left Nkuma.
Wow. Don't move them, let them stay. Business bright this evening, man. Huh? You alone about one or 2 bottles? Or where you keep party? Latisha, you make him know it's a retail.
Yes, sir.
How this brother pay my business?
When you start manage business in my business, it automatically become my business.
You move here, so with a punk here.
Punk like you if you're a Cisco.
I walking down Glory Avenue.
Which avenue?
Hallelujah.
Glory Avenue.
So where you find Glory Avenue?
Jesus.
Who?
Latisha.
What?
Me know one man. We can give you all the money you need.
So tell me something. Who is this man?
Jesus.
Who?
I never knew he was inside here, sir.
Dolores, wherever tell you see me in a bar, you're frightened. Me know me look like Duppy, but it's modern time now. Duppy stop walk.
God no, me I tell you, say, them say coward man keep sound bone, you know. But fear bone go and crack up on the day. Every time you see Shebada, you get nervous.
Is that obvious?
Yes, Dolores. You have to keep calm. It's him I go find out. Jesus.
Letitia, Trevor not call yet?
No, I'm my wait pan. I have this one customer inside of my wait pan for lock up. So what, me never call you?
No, but me I call mom and I get through to him.
7 buckle we have outstanding now, right?
I know, but him never takes so long for pay up yet.
Yeah, that's true. Something must come up. Yo, them my money and monkey money to where Trevor used to, you know. And him say you didn't need the help, so him just help you out still.
Are you me worry about?
Oh man, Shebada never this the program. What you worry about me for? A Shebada me worry about. Look here, Shebada must a deal. Sometimes him just come up with some things, you know. I not even know where them come from.
And you him find out. We go cook. Just pray so Trevor carry the thing come. Let me try and call him. Let me try and call him.
Yeah, man. Just the man I want to see.
All right, ladies.
There.
Yes.
Yo, something come up, man. Everything good, I know.
Yeah.
You hold this. And I like some extra in the boat, I know.
Yeah?
Yeah. Who knows the boss find out?
No, but that can help him rent, thanks.
So, you still at warrant?
Me soon come back. I'm gonna take care of something.
I mean, I'm still a warrant. Sure, I hard on me alone.
Yeah, joke, man. You're too stubborn. Look how long it must make my address be your address. If you know what I mean.
He's a wild man, and he's a very jealous man. What are you?
It's a voluptuous woman like you want, huh? On my agenda.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Which part on your agenda you want? Top or bottom?
Which part you want drop?
You see, if you have me on your agenda, Me must be the only item. Pandat.
Customer wants serve.
See
We want it on my agenda. Must be mad.
It look like me have to go take up this bartending work more serious and do it part-time.
You don't have to do that. You can be my personal assistant. Yo, it's a girl like you more up on my agenda, you know?
So but every man is the same.
So you're gonna take every man fat and fry me?
It's too fatherless picnic I have, you know.
I don't follow them, man. A man like me you want. The man don't know real man.
Same, so the last one did say, and him not even wait to see the baby's face.
Listen, you're a struggling girl. Cheba is the man for you.
You're doing enough already.
I want to do more. Yes. I will eat more.
We need to tell Shebada that the pipe in the female bathroom is dripping. So Trevor, where we stand?
Oh, you mean the business, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. We have a big show come this weekend. Right now, I want a whole box.
What do you think?
So it can't wait till another week?
Another week?
Yeah.
Hold on. No, not just me. Not just me.
Yes, but...
How we must pass one whole box of liquor? You, when Shebada stand up in the bar, what, we a magician?
Yo, it's a simple mathematics. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. You.
Me?
Yes. Yeah, listen. Bring Shebada attention to you.
No.
My girl, listen now.
You're going to make sure, say, you bring Shebada attention to the pipe we are leaking in the bathroom.
So how that I go distract Shebada?
All we need is a small window. You pass the box to me. We'll go to that small window of the box. Just make sure so we're not a spy.
Me too.
I Trevor my name. Pass the box.
Bless you.
Here you go. Here's a change. Thanks for shopping.
Dolores, cash these for me.
Okay.
10 rice, 5 flour, 3 corned beef, 3 carrot juice.
Okay.
That's it.
$2,365. Thank you.
Pay and make sure you get your receipt.
shopping.
Good. Everybody look nice this morning and working real hard.
And I want to tell you, everybody was early this morning too.
Wait. Them take a leaf out to include my book.
It's always a good reason why me come here late. I live in a volatile community.
You know that some company, if you're 1 minute late, them cut your pay?
I think you need to implement that kind of system here, Shebada.
So what if me come here early and leave late? How that part go?
You come and leave at your own risk.
And with that comment, Shebada, no disrespect, but I think management is a blood sucker.
No, I'm going to pardon you. You're calling me a vampire?
Anyway, you want to put it?
Look, time's very hard in Shebada. And to prevent people from cutting corners, I think management can do much better, man. Time's too hard.
But don't worry. Everyone that come into power comes to them can do better. Where the better they?
Exactly.
That is not it. The persons who were there first, when they leave, the ones who come after, always blame it on the ones who were there first, stating that at them mash up the thing.
I think we need a good leader. You know, like a Castro.
I wonder why you like Castro so much. Eh? You and him are the same thing when they come like dinosaurs.
Like it or not, Shebada, I think he was a good leader. Him stand up for principle.
Look here, it look like Shebada turned in a Castro now.
No, that is not the point. Don't say that. That's not it. It's just that Miss Alice leave me in charge. And when she return, I have to have good legacy.
You know what I think? This place need, like the country, some good politician.
You mean good cabinet makers?
Is the Prime Minister make the cabinet?
The Prime Minister? Them never make no cabinet. They make break front.
I have to give it to you. That's a good one.
We never see a well-busted lady before.
All the time.
We never see her with very tiny legs.
That one that look half balanced to me.
Oh, the government is very top-heavy.
But seriously, Shebada, something has to give. It's hard.
I understand. I know you cry. And I hear it. You understand? But sometimes what you put in is what you get out.
She's right.
That is what I'm saying. Friend and business not mixed. You understand me? So, bear with me, please.
And me have to say, them can do better. And to prevent people from cutting corners, them really need to give away money, man.
Dolores, from all me hear you talking about cutting corners. Mine, you know.
I wonder if it's conscience speaking. But you know, some people just too greedy and crave and choke puppy.
Look, I have a call to make.
Shebada, what you doing?
Excuse me?
I ask you, why are they? Your check stock in the middle of the month?
I beg your pardon. Me never know something for wait until month end for complete my duties.
It's just that it's strange.
You're dealing with a strange person.
I never say you strange, you know. Just that it looks strange that your tech stock in the middle of the month. I never say you do it yet.
The only way that looks strange unless you have something hiding.
Me? I've something to hide? Excuse me.
Where you going?
Bathroom.
Why every time you come inside the bar, you find it convenient to use the bathroom?
So what? I'm entitled to use the bathroom.
Don't bring your attitude to me today.
Attitude? Excuse me.
Me around putting the one inside here, so.
Hello?
Dolores, this is it.
Letitia?
Dolores, we go cook.
What is it?
Shebada checking stock.
Who Shebada for check stock?
No matter. Dolores will in the middle of the month or not Shebada check stock. If you get a Shebada in charge.
No, me no mean it like that, but I'm not mountain yet.
It no matter Dolores him a check stock. It look like him dopey take him.
Oh, hold on, may I call about the phone ring here. Shebada,
What is it?
there's a phone call for you.
Shebada speaking. Good afternoon. Aunt Alice? Aunt Alice, don't tell me that you're coming home. Oh, good. We're praying for you. What news is good news now? Yes, yes. And the government moved the economy from JDX to NDX. No, the name. Yes, Aunt Alice, I understand. Okay, Aunt Alice, hold the line for me, please. I'm going to take the call in the office. Aye. Nobody go on line 1. And I said nobody. And I mean it. What is it?
Shebada.
Me listening.
But you're not looking at me.
And I'm eye me listen with my ears.
Look, I need your undivided attention.
You have it come the right so beside you. I know what is coming in.
So you're a mind reader.
No, but I can read your one.
So tell me what is on my mind.
How you gonna pay your rent?
You know me delinquent.
Long time.
I know why I'm a delinquent.
Cause you can't pay your hairdresser.
Shebada, don't go there.
Why?
You know how much customer bring to my hairdresser. And every time I bring customer, she give me discount.
So why you can't bring that amount of client right here sitting at the bar so me can give you discount? Eh? Look at the government. We will not cover about hairdressing and ear this and ear that. Eh? You ever check some politician yet? We a bank straight through all export it. Look at the first lady of America. She banging. Why you can't go bang? Cut back on cost.
I can't wear bang. You know say a bang around you put me now. All this gonna benefit me.
You can't pay your rent. If you start wearing bang and stop hide from your landlord, you can pay hide and seek with me. You not must pick me.
Shebada, you can't do this talk later.
Why?
Because the hours long.
So why you never said that to me when I'm your employer? Are the hours you worry about are the pay? Talk to me, Latisha. Because reason. Adult to adult. Bang to skull. Talk to me. Yeah.
At the pay, sir.
So why you never said that to me when I'm your interview you?
That is why you're saying it no, sir.
I'm your panacea.
Shebada, go on like say I deserve nothing good. Every customer when me bring to this business, it's all because of me.
I'm looking at the list here. And something's just not adding up. There's a wide gap right here, so.
Gap?
Latisha.
Yes, sir.
You self-pay yourself. You're coming to me asking about your raise. I am responsible for everything around here. You understand me? The business is supposed to balance, and it's not balancing. But yet you're asking me about your raise. What is wrong with it now, Latisha? You think me an idiot?
Shebada, we're talking about how I can improve myself, and you're going to something else?
How can you improve yourself? You know, I want to know how some people are improve themselves. Because what I'm seeing here is that something's just not adding up. Look at it, Latisha.
Shebada is not what you're thinking.
What am I thinking?
Because me look so good, you think I'm a thief?
Are you? Because from your coming here, things are missing. Stock short. So tell me.
Letitia! Sorry, me never know that you guys were busy.
How are you check off yet?
Yes, sir. Give it to Delbert.
How much time if I tell you? When my day work, what you have to do?
That if you're not here, I'm supposed to give it to Delbert.
Right, but since I'm here, where the money there?
Me never see you, sir. A time for me go home, me not get paid for overtime.
You know what I notice with Uno? As the clock strikes 6 p.m., You don't want to rush out here. But a man in time, when you just a walls come in like when a ballet dancer. You know what? Make me go secure my money, but me go tell you this. Shape up! Because we're not going to ship out.
Something not right. You find out.
You in a trouble?
To where me no eat.
Give me a credit.
No, we have none.
I want to call Trevor.
Dolores, the money or the liquor?
You're acting as if I'm me alone. It's me and you in this, no Letitia.
I must tell Shebada, Dolores. I can't afford to lose my work.
Me go beg Hyacinth to come. Soon come back.
That is why I like them bad door thing here, you know.
So you're acting up like that?
Acting up, and that you call it? Acting up? Let me not get my money and you will see. Yo.
I have noticed that $10,000 is left unaccounted for. Yes, from your staff.
But Dolores, of late it look like you're fretting. Something wrong?
Me must sit down and look like a thief in the eyes of Shebada.
When you play my game, you can come back here.
Trevor knows it's serious and look how he behave.
A true man. If he might help you out, he not have to put a price on it.